After personally encountering the frustrating issue of Minecraft Java custom skins failing to display on Hypixel and dedicating extensive time to testing various remedies, I've successfully identified several effective solutions, and I'm ready to guide you through them now. Our first set of solutions, Basic Checks, addresses the foundational elements of skin loading. Custom skins require a stable internet connection to authenticate with Mojang servers and then for Hypixel to display them correctly. Simply restarting your launcher or computer can clear temporary memory glitches, ensuring fresh communication with both game and external servers, which is often enough to resolve minor display problems. Next, we move to client and game file integrity. Outdated Minecraft clients or graphics drivers frequently cause rendering glitches, as they might not correctly interpret or display the skin textures. A corrupted game cache or conflicting resource packs and mods can directly interfere with skin data, preventing it from loading. Reinstalling Minecraft ensures you have a clean, uncorrupted game environment, eliminating file-based issues. Our third approach focuses on network and security configurations. Firewalls or antivirus software can sometimes mistakenly block Minecraft's outbound connections to skin servers, preventing data transfer. DNS issues or IP conflicts can misdirect your game's requests, making it impossible to fetch skin information. Implementing a VPN can often provide a workaround for regional routing problems, ensuring your data packets reach Mojang and Hypixel servers without obstruction. Finally, we address Hypixel-specific considerations. Sometimes, Hypixel's own systems might experience a temporary glitch, or your account's skin data might not be fully synchronized across their network. Logging into Hypixel forces a refresh of your account data. Additionally, changing your skin directly on the Mojang website and allowing time for synchronization ensures the most current skin data is pushed to all connected game servers, including Hypixel, thereby resolving any potential synchronization delays or server-side skin display errors.